calculate the length AB, giving your answer correct to 3 significant figures. So we've got a right angle triangle here. We've got to calculate this missing length, but we've got this length here, which is the hypotenuse, and this length here. So we should use Pythagoras' theorem. Pythagoras' theorem says that AC squared, the square on the hypotenuse, is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. However, we want to find AB, so we will say that AB squared is going to be AC squared minus BC squared. So that's going to be equal to 12.4 squared minus 8.2 squared. So do that on your calculator carefully, and you'll get 81.6. But that gives me AB squared. I need to find AB, so I need to take the square root of 81.6. Again, on my calculator will give me 9.033. Answer to 3 significant figures. That 3 has no effect on that 3, so the correct answer will be 9.03 centimeters to 3 significant figures. So this has been a video to show you how to calculate the smaller side using Pythagoras' theorem. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.